Hi all. Large construction contracts frequently include a retention clause in which the customer holds back or retains a portion of the contract price until the work is certified as complete. In some cases, the customer is not required to pay the retention amount until a certain period of time has passed. Also, certain contracts stipulate that the customer may keep a retention amount if he is dissatisfied with the quality of the work. Let's see what is the tax due date for retention payment. The VAT law and executive regulation do not contain specific provision of the tax due date for retention payments. The tax due date for a supply of construction services related with retention depends on whether the services are treated as a one-off supply or a continuous supply. Let us discuss about in detail. What is one-off supply? A contract for construction services will be regarded as a one-off supply when there is only one payment due for the provision of the service. The tax due date for one-off supply will be determined by the tax due date rules, that is, the earliest of the completion of the services, that is, the date of certification. Second, the receipt of retention payment. Third, the issue of a tax invoice showing the retention amount. Let us discuss the tax due date for continuous supply. What is continuous supply? Construction services involving staged or periodic payments will be considered as continuous supplies. The rules under Article 13 of the Bahrain VAT law will apply in determining the tax due date for retention amount. Hence, the tax due date will be the earliest of the date of retention amount is received, the issue of tax invoice in relation to the retention amount, the due date for payment as specified on the tax invoice in relation to the retention amount. Fourth one, the 12 months from completion of the services as determined by the contract. Example, that certification. So, when the customer does not pay the retention amount to the supplier due to a dispute about the quality of the work or contract not being completed satisfactorily, here the VAT will not arise on the retention amount for supplier. If the supplier has already accounted for VAT on the retention amount, then the supplier can issue a credit note and can adjust that VAT paid on retention from NBR. Thank you.